Hi there, it is Amber from Jamber's Dollar and Cents. I am coming with you with my weekly savings challenges. We got some money here to do our savings challenges with, and we have a few savings challenges. But before we get into it, I just would like to state that wow, can you speak today, Amber? Maybe not, though. I guess we'll all find out. But I'd like to say that I don't know if you watched my last video, but like a smart aleck, said inside because I film on my phone. So I said to my phone, "Hey, phone. Hey, Amazon, if you are listening to me, I really could use a vacuum." Mini vacuum. And yes, it came up in my social media feed. So I have a vacuum now and I'm super excited about it. Even though I haven't read the directions yet, and there's supposedly, I don't know, there's like minutes, seconds, I don't know, like, is this a timer? Maybe? I don't know what that is. Yeah, it looks like it is just like a mini timer. That's interesting. And then, of course, the vacuum. So excited about that, but not sure why it comes with that part. Oh, that's okay. We're not going to try to refilm. It is what it is, and it happens. So I did get a vacuum. I am pretty excited about that, especially since I've been doing scratchers and scratch off ones, which, you know, I have some new Etsy ones coming through. And of course, I also said, hey, I would like some beautiful scratchers. Amazon did not fail me. They gave me a link inside of my social media. So I purchased it. Oh my goodness. Let's not struggle. Let's not get on the struggle bus. Let's just cut the top off of that. I don't know. These, I guess they're scratchers. They look really weird to me. I don't know. Like, what is that? I have no idea. But they're mine. I have them in my feed. I purchased them because Amazon told me to. So here we are. So we are going to use that today. Let's get that out of my direction, or out of my way. Anyway, so what are we starting off with? So this is not the full money I had for savings challenges this week. This is just about half of it, but that's okay. That is okay. We will spread out the joy and the love in these savings challenges. We will still be able to get through quite a few. So we got 50, just because I know I'm going to need some change. 70, 80, and then a whole bunch of beautiful ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Not the best dollars, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure my credit card is not going to complain about it. That's all I know. Hold on, I got to get some of my strawberry lemonade. I've been talking a lot today. Actually, I felt pretty productive today. So I have meal planned. I have wrote a grocery list off. We filmed some videos. I did some gardening. I went to an estate sale. It's been a fantastic, beautiful, wonderful day. Wanted to get this done and start uploading before I have to actually do housework all day tomorrow to catch up on some stuff, but that's okay. Anyways, so we have plenty of money, but last time I was so embarrassed with myself. let me scoot this over here so that you can see more in the center, because I freaking ran out of savings challenges. Yes, I was playing so hardcore that I ran out of savings challenges. So we printed out some more. We cleared some stuff off so that we can go ahead and play some. So my goal today is to play and finish a couple minis and stuff some of the bigger ones. So let me just get this out here. Let me get my dice out, because why not, right? So let's start off with this first one. I got it off of Ko-Fi, and these are so freaking cute. Look at that guy. I know that I've told you guys that I'm really into Halloween. Well, my family really gets into Halloween. But look at these minis, right? Ugh, I can totally see this kid coming to my house and trick-or-treating, and me giving out my full-size candy bars to him. But I will go ahead and link it in the links below where I downloaded this. But Budget My Debts, adorable savings challenges. I can't wait to get into it. So we are going to start it off with this today. This one here. So let me move this out of the way. I'm going to put these back into there so they're not in our way. So it looks like she already took and filled these out. So what do I need here? So this is $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, and $19. Sure. Why not? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19. Do I even bother? Do I color this in? I don't know, because if I don't color it in and I just stuff this, put this in my ding 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 envelope, I can come back and play this without printing it out again. Not that it's a big deal, but I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that, because why not? So we will put this in our ding 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 envelope. One challenge done. Harry Potter. Oh, I love this one, guys. I really do. Again, I got it free from Grace Boutique Studios. I purchased something from her, and this came in with my order. But I'm enjoying it because it saves a ton of money, like a ton of money. Oh, I hate that glare, but ring light, right? Because you need to have it, because Amber drinks so much caffeine that she can only figure out how to film at nighttime, because I'm so busy during the day. So we are gonna go ahead and do another one of these. I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this 20 this time, and we will do, let's do 2 10s, because those are going to be the hardest ones to do. So let's knock those big ones off. So I did end up laminating this by myself, which is completely fine. But, ooh, so I think I'm about halfway through now. And what has this saved me so far? So I'm at 67. So I'm at $80 so far. $80, and I'm halfway there. Wow, that's fantastic. Fantastic. I love it. And who doesn't love Harry Potter? Seriously, it is great for Oh my gosh. See, that's the whole reason why I had to get that vacuum. These scratch off things are just everywhere. I'm gonna have to take that and clean that up. But it's not like Harry Potter anyways. I mean, those movies are so good. I did not so much read the books, but the movies I absolutely adore. But it's so appropriate for every single age group, right? So an adult likes it, kids love it, young adults love it. Oh, this is my last one here. And you know, I have so many more challenges that I had printed out. So let's just go ahead and finish this up because we have enough money, and let's just keep dinging as much as we can. So we got a 4 and a 2. 4, 2, so we're at 6, and then a 3. So $9. Oh, I only have this 50 left. I should have got changed, but that's okay. What change do I have here? Oh, nothing. That's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. I might have to go and get some change before we continue on here. No, we are not going to do that. You know what? We're going to spend that full $50 here because I really want to finish this one here. But here's another ding. So these were just mini challenges I made for myself. So doing them once a week. But we finished June, which is fine. But you can see I totally did not make out anymore. So I have to do that. I have to get my butt busy on Canva and get that done. So we have an empty one. Let's just go ahead and pull something here, just something random. Ugh. See, I was so afraid of running out that now I printed too many. Oh, let's not do a Christmas one, Amber. You know what? This is my last one. I have enjoyed doing these, but I've always been doing roll and saves. But what I think I'll do is going forward, I will assign a dollar amount per circle and then just color those circles in. That way I can make this one last a little bit longer, because the roll and saves really have been flying through those. So we'll figure that out for next time. But this one here is created by No Drama Llama Savings. Oh, sorry, No More Drama Llama Savings for Blessed Budgets by Abigail. And these are so cute. She did such a great job. They're adorable. So this is my last one. We'll go ahead and put in here. Let's go ahead and just skip right through. Maybe. Holy Moses. Are you in there? Are you sure? You well behaved? I don't know. We'll go ahead and skip all the way to the back for Spooky Castle budgets, and we will try to get that whole $50 in. But you see my Oogie Boogie has made his return. So he got cleaned off and he is back this week. Love that. But anyways, let's go back to the spooky budgets. Oh, see what I'm talking about? I'm gonna have to go. You know, I have Norwex that will take that right up here, but that's because that's even sticky. I don't know what's going on here. So we are trying to get $50 as close as we can for $50. If not, if we go over a little bit, it's okay. I have money left someplace else that we can do. We can go ahead and do that. So we completed page 1. We completed page 2. Oh my goodness. I have to get this wiped down too. That is terrible. We completed page 3. We completed page 4. How about 5? Yep, we're starting at 5. So move this out of the way so that we can start scratching with my new scratchers. Thank you, Amazon, for listening to me. Anyways, up to $50. Let's see what we can do here. So $6. You know, these scratch out off so easily, these black ones, compared to some of the other ones, but they also stick too. $6 and $8. So we're at 14. Would have been nice if it was just one that was 50. Then I didn't have to do the math. 14 plus 3 is 17. So it's $17. Let me sweep this up real quick. I'm sorry. Don't know how to use this yet. Oh, is this a bad one? Oh my goodness. Maybe it just needs to be charged more. I don't know. The Amazon driver guy was like leaving as I was getting ready to film, so it did not charge very much. Oh, that's icky. So 17. 22. 24. Getting close. Now I need to tell Amazon I need a better vacuum. Just kidding. 24. Maybe we'll finish 2 pages today. 9. So 33. 35. 40. Oh, we only have $10 left. Only $10 left. 44. Oh my gosh, too much scratching. My arm's starting to hurt. Small world problems. 44. What's our chances of being a 6? Please be a 6. Oh, a 7. That's okay. $51. We have some ones still left over. All right. It's $51. I will go ahead and vacuum that up in a minute. Oh my goodness. So messy. So $51 going into our Speaky Challenge. At 51, at 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, $70. So $170 so far. Oh, That is amazing. $170. Okay, what do I have left over? Not much money, I think. No, thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. Okay. How many more challenges do we have? Oh, just 3. Okay, we can do this. So let's get at least these started. So 5, of course. High one. And we want low ones. We're not getting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am not even in the camera because that's how cool I am. Do our last roll and save. Oh, I forgot to. So this was Spooky Budgets. This again was a freebie that was sent to me because I purchased something from her Etsy shop. And this is the one that I have used the most because it is so freaking adorable. I love it. It is my favorite challenge. I don't think it's ever going out of my savings challenge binder ever. Just saying. Ever. If it does, that's cool too. Right. 2, that's better. 1, 2. And I know I just showed you the other one that goes to this. So this was created by No More Drama Llama Savings for Blessed Budgets by Abigail. 2 beautiful channels. I would recommend highly of go checking both of them out. Amazing, so fun. Okay, in my last challenge, what do I have left here to play with? Get this out of the way. We're not gonna do any more ding ding dings. Do I have 2 ding ding dings? So let's put $2. Nope, I don't need to do those $2. I have other money here. So I have $4 left over that I need to do here. So I could do 2 glasses. I could do a fun drink and a surfboard. Let's do some glasses. So we'll do that color. And what color would I wear? Maybe, no, you know what? Yeah. Let's do pink and green. Oh, come on. Okay, close enough. I am really terrible at coloring while people are watching, and because I am one of those people that love to take my time and go super slow color within the lines, but this does not allow me to do so. So we will do our best here. Try to get it done as best that we can. We'll just trace. So 2. Let's do these like Billie Holly glasses down here. Those are cute. I had sunglasses like that in the 90s. They were black. I forgot what we called them. Used to be a DJ that everybody used to listen to. He would do like the top 40 or something, and he would wear just black sunglasses that kind of reminded me of this shape. Actually, we could fill in the, make these look in, just look more like, ooh, hey, make these look more like sunglasses. There we go, close enough. So we got $4 going in. We started this challenge. This challenge is by Hey K Budgets. I downloaded this after my embarrassment of last week when I ran out of challenges. So that's it, guys. That is our savings challenges we completed for the week. Great job. So now we have 2 ding ding dings that we did. Put them in our envelope here. Oh, at the end of the month, I am doing another deposit into the bank, and we are going to be paying off some credit card debt with this. But because you guys saw that I did get this with the last one, what did I do with it? Oh, it's in the back here. Come on, Amber. Sometimes I'm telling you, I have really dark hair, and I am a very smart person, except for when I'm filming. So two more dollars are going into our ding 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 almost envelope. Love it, love it, love it. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for your patience while it feels like I stumbled through life there. Actually, just stumbled through savings challenges, but had a blast, saved some money, paying off some debts. We're doing this. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, don't forget to do all that fun stuff like subscribe, comment, share with your friends. I'm terrible at this, asking people for stuff. It's not in my wheelhouse usually to ask for anything. I'm one of those hardened people that just will figure things out on my own and hardly ever ask for help. But here I am asking for your help. Would really like to have do a goal of building up followers, getting monetized. It would be fantastic. Can't do it without your help, but you know, you guys have inspired me every single day that I'm still doing this halfway through the year, and I haven't given up yet. That's fantastic. And it's all you. It's you, it's me. We're doing this together. Thank you so much. Bye.